Yeah. We're at a farm. Are you ready?
It's here. We just take it.
But it's getting hot. Yeah. It's already hot. I just got here. I'm sweating.
Animals, little cages.
Little update. No. Maybe don't do that. Hi. Oh, they're all here now. Hi.
Here, I like.
You know, that works.
Here, you want to feed it?
You want to feed it?
I don't want to feed that thing. I
Oh.
fed the cows.
I fed that thing that licked my hand off.
Touch its lump.
You gonna feed it like that?
Sophia touched the lump.
Well,
Yeah, if you want to feed that, you got that. It looks like a dog. Sit down, this is albino one.
We're fighting.
yeah.
Go feed it. Yes. I'm not doing that. Okay, what?
Yeah.
We have a few of them on my job. Oh.
Yeah? What, like that?
Like that color?
Yeah.
That's an
In the parking lot.
In the parking lot.
It's running away.
Oh, look, they actually eat up the pieces. And they
Look at
fight
their
over it.
tails. I like your tail.
Pet you, bro.
Eat it up.
Come close so I can pet you.
Oh,
Hey!
hey, why are we beating the baby?
There's enough food. Poor baby. Give the baby. They're nasty. You wanna go take a photo in the hay?
In the hay?
I mean,
Gabby, want to take a photo in the hay? I don't think it has the best lighting. Looks a little.
it's the best idea.
Yeah, it looks a little
Photo up
soggy.
there.
Yes.
I wonder if you eat this. Would you eat this?
Why not? Chickens eat anything. They'll eat. They didn't eat it?
No.
Did they see it?
You want it?
That one wants it.
No, they
Oh.
don't need it. I like how
They like the corn. Oh, look. They got a whole. Oh.
Like stubby tail chicken.
Oh.
Mira, mira cómo se para.
Whoa. They don't let you hand feed that because they have teeth. They have such teeth. This one doesn't like animals. It's gonna spit in her face.
it's coming. Yeah.
Aw. And Gabby's still over there too. She's taking in the sights. Where? Capybara.
Mommy, I'll get them, baby.
They're all.
You eat this?
Don't have any more food. Let's go.
You want? You eat?
Ooh, it's got teeth. Ooh, never mind. It's a capybara. Will you bite me?
No, they won't bite you, bro. You need to just
It's not taking it. Dude, how blind is it?
I like your teeth, bro. You want any?
Oh, there we go. Okay.
I like this one.
Aw.
Touch its tooth.
Go.
Touch its tooth. Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Did you touch it?
Yeah.
You want my food?
I touched it. I touched it.
You wouldn't feed them, but you touch its tooth.
I know.
We're in Colombia in the park. And we were sitting, we were watching the show. I know it's son. It comes like the mama of this one. So big one. Big one.
yeah?
Like that. That's all. And
Camera.
Camera. Oh, yeah.
Come.
There she goes. You hear the skidding? That's not Alyson. Where'd she go? Oh, she's waiting at the top then.
Alyson.
Come through.
Yes.
I don't see you. Maybe you don't slide. There you are. You slid.
They have baby on.
Which one are you going on? Oh. Gabby, you coming? So take a sec. Okay, okay.
No, yeah.
You should have waited for Sophie to sit down.
Yeah. Oh, it's this way. Go.
Gabby, go.
Go, go.
Go, go.
I like this thing, the thingy. Whoa!
That was the parrot.
Sure.
Look, it's the red one.
Hello.
Hey. I don't like you. Hey.
How are
You're
you?
so pretty.
Hi, pretty.
Have to pet your claw.
No,
Maybe not.
it's not
Maybe not.
happy. You're gonna make it enraged like the other one. It's gonna scream at you. Is it? Bye. Goodbye. Oh, it is raining. There's my mommy. No, I didn't.
Downstairs.
I'll go see. What are you looking at?
Everything. I'm recording.
Me too. It is raining. Ooh, look at that. So pretty, so pretty. Look at these fuzzy things. They're for you to pet. Aw.
Chicken.
We lost Alyson.
I think she went that way with them. Oh, a
That
little
does not look like a pigeon.
a little parrot was sticking his head through there and stealing its food.
Oh, that's funny.
Sorry to make noise.
It is raining.
Toward us.
Ooh.
They have a minute behind in the thing.
Should we go back?
Well,
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 5:57.
We still have an hour before line dancing. We can go on the trampoline thing. That's covered. Are we dirtying our shoelaces?
Yeah. Because you don't want to tie it.
Yeah, I'm not tying it now. Whoa.
Chasing something. Are they ready for the line?
Maybe. You guys coming?
Larry, coming?
vamos a gozar. El rey de las calabazas viene a celebrar.
It's coming for you, it's coming for you. Gabby, the flashbacks. In reversal.
Oh my gosh. My feet are wet.
Oh, you have Converse. They're my parents. I don't think my parents even went. I lost my tube top. My tube top. It was. The aftermath. Dude, my tube top's down here. Yeah. Maybe it refreshed it. Yeah, maybe. We made it to the restaurant.
Right, we're all dry now.
My turn. Go. Is Gabby not coming? Hey, Gabby.